The Homecurl did have this redemption era, for real, because she ate with this. Hey y'all, it's your girl Ari, and today I'm going to show you my highly requested twist out routine. Now, it wasn't really that highly requested, but it did win second place in the poll that I put in my community tab. I also post on there as much as I can, so make sure you're checking that out. You can just leave a feedback or thoughts on any of the content that I'm either filming, planning to film, or that I've already posted. Now, product wise, we're only using one thing. We're using the Homecurl by Fenty Hair, because last time I said I was going to use this again. I didn't really like it for my wash and goes, but I saw Brie Hall use it for her twist out and the results ate. So we're going to do this again, just using some water. And also I have no other product in my hair right now, so it's going to be literally just the Homecurl. So yeah, let's get into it.
My hair is pre-detangled and pre-sectioned. I actually washed my hair the day before from this video and didn't put any product in, so this is just my hair. Also, side note, I have been using the Fenty Hair shampoo consistently for like a month and a half, and I love it. For a twist out, of course, you need to start with fully saturating your hair. I use creams and wrap foams to begin with for my twist out, so using the Homecurl wasn't like anything new for me. Just excited to see how soft my hair is and the results and whatnot. After making sure my hair is fully saturated, I go in and I thoroughly detangle before adding in some of the Homecurl to a large section. And now I usually do about 3-4 in that back section of my hair. Some may say that my sections are a little bit too small for a twist out. Honestly, it's up to you. You can do yours even smaller, you do yours even larger. Just depends on the results that you want to go for. But I like to do smaller twists for my twist outs because it helps me make sure that my hair is thoroughly dried all the way. It helps it dry faster, and I feel like I get more definition when I do smaller twists. As I'm twisting down, I do add a little bit more of the Homecurl if I feel like it's needed, and I also detangle to make sure that it's as smooth as possible as I am twisting. Then I just repeat the steps all over my head. I use a comb every now and then for my parting, but that's not really until like the top of my head really. I do free parts because, you know, just twist out. I'm not really wearing the twist as a style. It's just for the twist out. So that's how I do it. I'm gonna play some music now. You guys can watch me do the twist out.
It's a lot of hours later. Honestly, I don't even know the time I started. I probably should have checked. I would say it probably took me like a good 2.5 hours, even though it's 11:25. But I took a break to eat dinner, and I took a break because my camera died, and I took a break because my light died. It was a lot of things. I took a lot of breaks. I could have got this done a lot sooner, but this is how the twists are looking. First impressions, I feel like this will be a really good twist out. My hair feels really soft, and it smells amazing. Like, I feel like I'm just like encapsulated in the Fenty hair fragrance, you know. It smells so good. Now usually I would put on hair weights in this step, but I'm literally about to go to sleep, so I'm not sleeping on the hair weights. I'm putting them on in the morning. I'm gonna do a 360 for you guys. I'm gonna show you the back. Don't judge me, it's not my business. It's gonna be a jump scare maybe, but it's not my business. So how scary does it look on a scale of 1 to 10? Let's tell the truth here, but not too much. And I still have so much product left, which is great. But yeah, I'm tired, so I'm gonna see you guys in the morning and put the hair weights in, let my hair fully dry all the way, and then tomorrow night or tomorrow afternoon, depends on how I'm feeling, maybe even Sunday, I don't know. Good night, see you guys in the morning. Okay, hey y'all, we're back 2 days later. It is Sunday morning, really Sunday afternoon. It's like 12:30. I did end up banding my hair. I used 3 bands, so one on the side, and then I have one in the back. I didn't stretch these ones just because I don't want these to be like, I didn't want them to be abnormally too long because I have layers in my hair. But let's get into unbanding them and seeing how they look. I've been banding for like a whole day at this point. This is the hair now after the banding, and I'm gonna take out the twists. So let's get into that.
It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine China. Favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces, and they're saying no. Life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, whoa. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're burning out. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine China. Took me a while to find your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready? I know your heart been telling you you belong to me.
This is the hair now. I've taken down all of the twists. I don't have any like shedding, not really shedding, I don't know what the word is called. Like, I don't have any product flakes on my shoulders, which is great. Let's go into how I separated to make it a little bit fuller. I literally just pull it down and let it go where it wants to go, like that.
We hit the club and his cups full of jealousy. We in the bag and we mugging the TI.
I don't do it to every section because sometimes I want it to expand on its own timing. But I do like a little bit just to help it out, you know. Oh, and I did forget a twist. Oh, like, this is a difference. Fluffed out a little bit, not fluffed out a little bit. It makes all the difference. And oh my gosh, I forgot another twist. I got like 3 twists. And this is the final results of my hair on day 1. I would say my hair does feel really soft and it smells really good. It smells amazing, and I do love the results. I already said that, but the Homecurl did have this redemption era for real, because she ate with this. And here's also how the twist out looks like from all angles. Hopefully I'm not missing any more twists. And this is the end of my twist out tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment below what I should film next. Love you guys. See ya.